In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the glow effect in Canva on mobile devices. Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to increase the glow effect in Canva on mobile devices. We'll walk through exactly where to find the settings, how each control changes the look, and a few simple tips to help your glow stand out without overpowering your design. Start by opening the Canva app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account and your internet connection is stable so your changes sync properly. From here, open the design where you want to add or adjust the glow effect. This could be a social post, a thumbnail, or any design you're already working on. Next, tap the specific text or element you want to apply the glow to. This is important. Canva only shows the relevant options when an element is selected. If you don't see the right controls, double-check that you've tapped the exact text box, shape, or image you want to edit. At the bottom menu, tap Effects. This is where Canva keeps visual styling tools for your selection. Depending on the element type, you'll see options like Shadow or Glow. For text, Glow is usually listed under Text Effects. For other elements, you may find it grouped with Shadow Style Effects. Select Shadow or Glow as appropriate so the glow controls appear. Now use the intensity or size slider to increase the glow to your desired level. Intensity typically boosts how strong and bright the glow appears, while size expands the glow's radius around your element. Watch the live preview as you slide. Small changes can make a big difference, especially on mobile screens. For a more pronounced glow, adjust the color, transparency, and blur if those options are available. Color helps you match your brand or create contrast with the background. For a classic neon look, try a bright color or white. Transparency controls how solid or subtle the glow feels. Lower transparency is softer, higher is bolder. Blur determines how soft the glow edges are. More blur gives a diffused halo. Less blur creates a tighter rim. Once you're happy with the look, tap Apply to save the effect. Take a moment to zoom in and out to see how the glow reads at different sizes, and make small tweaks if needed. And that's how you increase the glow effect in Canva on mobile devices. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.